Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to understand what are these articles in our grammar like a and in the. We are going to discuss about two types of articles in this video and we will learn the use of a and an. Now let's understand first what are articles. Articles are words used before nouns to modify them. They are also used to point out people, place or things around us and are known as demonstrative adjectives. There are two types of articles in the grammar. The first one is definite article and the second one is indefinite article. Definite article means when we want to tell something is specific or particular. When we are not talking in a general terms, when we are specifying something. Whereas indefinite articles means when something is non-specific, when we are talking about the things or the people in a general manner. In this manner, definite article takes the with it and indefinite article takes a and an. Now let's understand some uses of a and an in our grammar and how they are used with nouns. The first use we are going to learn is of a, and it tells us that a is used before countable nouns in singular form which begin with a consonant sound. Keep this thing in mind. We are not talking about the consonants here. We are just talking about the consonant sounds that the word make in the beginning. And accordingly, we put a before them. For example, a book. Book is giving us the sound of b in the starting. So that's why we are going to put a with it. In the other example, a chair. Chair is starting with the sound that is made by two letters together, C and H, and it makes ch sound. So in this manner, this also is not giving us a vowel sound and we are going to put a with it. Let's move to the uses of an now. Our grammatical rules tell us that an is used before countable nouns which begin with vowel sound in their singular form. The first thing, that the countable noun should be in a singular form. Secondly, the word should have a vowel sound in the beginning. If a word is having a vowel sound, we will put an with it. For example, an island, an ant. There are always some exceptions in grammar and even our indefinite articles also have some. And the first one is, if a word begins with a vowel but not a vowel sound, we use a before it. Example, a university. University word though starting with U, but the sound it is making is of U sound which begins with Y, and that's why we are not going to put an with it, we are going to use a there. In the similar manner, another example says a 1 rupee coin. Though the word starts with O, but the sound that it gives is of W sound. So we are going to use a with it. The next exception that we have in indefinite articles is if some words begin with unsounded or silent consonant H, they take an with them. Example, an honest boy. Though the spelling is having H in the beginning, but H is silent and it is giving a vowel sound O, so that's why we have used an before it. Another example, an hour ago. The same thing is happening here also. H is silent, O sound is coming, and that's why we have used and with it. Let's move on to the another exception. The last exception that we have is related to abbreviations in articles, and these abbreviations take an and a with them, but they have a rule for them. So if consonants are there in the abbreviations but they have a vowel sound, so they will take an with them. Example, an MBA. MBA. M is having a sound of a in the beginning, and that's why it is a vowel sound, so it will take an with it. Whereas in abbreviations, if there is a consonant sound beginning and the abbreviation is also starting with a consonant, so it will take O with it. Example, a BA. BA is having a consonant sound of B in the beginning. That's why we have used A with it. I hope you have understood what are the uses of a and an you have learnt the exceptions as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learnt something new today or must have revised your skills of grammar. And in this manner, I will try to brush up all your rules, all your grammar skills. And in the next video, we will talk about the definite article the. Till then, thank you for watching it. Goodbye.